Hello, everyone. Welcome to How to Integrate Mailchimp with WooCommerce. I already have an account with Mailchimp, and you can see here that in fact my WooCommerce is already connected with Mailchimp. Okay, so what I am going to do is I am going to go to another website of mine and let us install WooCommerce plugin first, and then we are going to integrate with Mailchimp. So to do that, you on the left sidebar, you go to plugins, and on the drop-down menu, you click on Add New. This page opens up, and you type WooCommerce as keyword, WooCommerce. This page is going to display WooCommerce, and all you have to do is click on Install Now. And by the way, over 5 million active installations of this particular plugin. Okay, so I am going to click on Install Now. It is installing. So it has been installed, and what you have to do now is click on Activate. The plugin has been activated. Now, if we go to WooCommerce, on the drop-down, you can't see Mailchimp yet. Okay, so we are going to go to Dashboard and click on Home. We are now on the dashboard, and here we have WooCommerce set up. I just would like, okay, WooCommerce and set up, step 0 of 6, start selling. So you click on Start Selling. And you can see, let me just move the zoom bar away from here. You can see store details, industry, product types, business details, and theme. So we start right here. Welcome to WooCommerce. Tell us about your store and we'll get you set up in no time. So you just have to fill your address, the country, the city, and your postal code. And I'm setting up a store for a client. If this is the case, you check this box. So I am going to click on Continue. Now we are in industry. In which industry does your store operate? Choose any that apply. So you can choose, you can select fashion, health and beauty, electronics, food and drink, etc. So I am in education. I have checked only this box, and you click on Continue. You click Continue. Right, what type of products will be listed? Choose any that apply. Can be physical products, maybe downloads, if this is your case. Well, in my particular case, it is bookings. If you'd like to find out more about this, just click on the eye icon. So allow customers to book appointments, make reservations, or rent equipment without leaving your site. So, okay, great. And I click Continue. Then business details. Tell us about your business. How many products do you plan to display? Well, more than 10, but in this particular case, I am just entering 1 to 10. If you click on so you can choose whatever is applicable to your case, your business. And currently selling elsewhere. Yes, I am selling elsewhere. But the thing is, if I click here and say yes on another platform, then it's going to ask all sorts of questions. So I decided to put on no. I would like to show you that I'm using PayFast. In fact, as you can see on my website, anyone is able to purchase for my training by clicking on the Buy Now button. All right, so, and we continue, click Continue, and included business features. We recommend enhancing your store with these free extensions. No commitment required, you can remove them at any time. Add recommended business features to my site. Okay, so you click on the downward arrow and grow your store. Level up your email marketing with MailPoet. No, I'm not interested in that. Contact customers with Mailchimp. I definitely am interested in Mailchimp, and later on probably I'll be interested in Creative Mail. Yeah, but for now, this is all we are interested in is Mailchimp, and I click on continue. We are almost done with the settings. So choose a theme, choose how your store appears to customers. And don't worry, you can always switch themes and edit them later. So I am using Astra, the Astra theme. I am very happy with it. If you'd like, I am going to click on, if there are only 2 free themes in this particular case, this being developed by WordPress.com, the storefront, and the others are premium. In other words, you have to pay. So miniature, as an example, you have to pay $79 per year, and so on and so forth. It gives you lots of themes that you can choose from. Okay, continue with active theme. So Astra is a free theme. It also has a premium version, but Astra offers lots of features for WooCommerce on the free version. Great, so you are here. And if this was a WooCommerce training, we would have continued, but we are interested in Mailchimp integration with WooCommerce. So this is WooCommerce, this is a drop down of WooCommerce, and at the very bottom you see Mailchimp. So I am going to click on Mailchimp. So on this page, you have to enter your, the name of your company or your website address, and your street address, your state, your country, email, your city postal and the postal code, and your phone number. And here you'll be able to change for your time zone. Okay, and then you choose the language. So in this particular case, I have English US, but I could have had English UK, English South Africa, and so on and so forth. Right. So here I have and permissions, and the plugin permission level. Select the minimum permission capability to manage Mailchimp. For WooCommerce options, I have opted for administrators only. I could have opted for shop managers and administrators, but I prefer just administrators. And so I am going to save all changes. So settings have been saved. And now I click on audience. And so campaign and messaging settings, your store is currently connected. So it automatically connected onto my Mailchimp newsletter. Okay, so we have done this already. Opt-in settings, visible, checked by default. So this is your shop checkout preview. And what happens is when a visitor is about to pay, this is going to display on his or her page, and he or she can I'm sorry, by default it has been subscribed to our newsletter. Okay, or you could choose visible and checked by default. So in this particular case, your visitor who is purchasing from you will have to check if he or she would be interested in subscribing to your newsletter. So I prefer this one by default. Okay, and this is basically all we have to do here. Okay, so if we go back, and one more point, and this is on settings. Let's just wait a bit. So it says here communication. Occasionally, we may send you information about how-tos, updates, etc. Opt into our newsletter. So yeah, I would like to receive information from a Mailchimp informing me on what is novel in terms of upgrades and updates and all that. Okay, so this is it. If this video, a short video, was helpful, would you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel? Thanks and best wishes.